The top 5 new inventions. 5. Iband Plus. We've always fantasized dreaming what we want to and how we want to, like in the movie Inception. The way Ellen Page created a world of her own, a world which had several gravitational fields. Arena, a startup company from Amsterdam, looks set to turn this fantasy into reality with its invention Iband Plus. The company claims Iband Plus can help create lucid dreams, allowing them to fulfill any fantasy and experience they want. The wearable can also help people sleep and maintain their sleep cycle. Basically, the headband not only helps in inducing lucid dreams, but also your sleeping cycles, all while monitoring heart rate, body movement, and temperature through special sensors. 4. Nike HyperAdapt 1.0. When wearers press a button near the tongue, the HyperAdapt 1.0s automatically tighten and loosen around their foot. And although this technology may sound frivolous, it's not just for kicks. Simplified shoe fastening could give athletes an edge during competition, and it's especially useful for people with impaired motor function. Shoes that tie themselves. We've been looking forward to this technology since the movie Back to the Future. 3. Eagle 360. As companies race to develop self-driving cars, Goodyear is reinventing their wheels. Its spherical concept tire, which debuted in March, allows cars to move in many new directions, including sideways into a parallel parking space, and at specific angles and speeds to counteract slippy surfaces. These tires won't hit pavement anytime soon. They're meant for self-driving cars that are likely at least a few years away. 2. The artificial pancreas. For people with diabetes to stay healthy, they must continually check their blood sugar and adjust it with insulin or snacks. The MiniMed 670G measures their blood sugar levels every 5 minutes, providing more insulin or withholding it as needed. For now, they still need to manually request a dose after they eat, but Medtronic is also working on a fully automated one that will help the 1.25 million people living with type 1 diabetes spend less time managing their disease and more time enjoying life. 1. Robot that devours insects and rodents. At this point, robotic vacuum sweepers, singing androids and mechanical dogs are old hat. But British inventors Jimmy Loiseau and James Auger have made a quantum leap with the carnivorous domestic entertainment robot, an automaton that would stalk and devour mice and insects and then eat them and digest their bodies to produce its own power. Now that is self-sufficiency at its finest.
Thanks for watching and hope you enjoyed. Check out one of these videos and don't forget to subscribe to support more videos.